Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is P. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash, and I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to share a tips with you how you can make your $10 to $100 in this video within 5 days. How you can turn your $10 to $100 in 5 days. So if you're watching this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. So as you can see, we are in boom 1000 on 5-minute time frames. It works more better on 5-minute time frames, and this is what I have been done. And as you can see the history today now, I've already made $13 in this video, and also on last week I've already made 160 with this same strategy. So let's move to the chart and let me explain how I get this done to you. So this is boom 1000 5-minute time frames. As you can see, I only have one window, which is this. I only have one window, which is this. Inside this window is exactly the secret and how I trade this successfully. As you can see, when I only have one window, and this one window is having the secret. So let's check it out. You see, for my window one, when my moving average meet up with my upper moving average 10 and my moving average 120 move together on the same spots, and also my Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band, it moved to that accurate at the same level. You see here, that is the right time for me to enter the trade. So let me show you some example of what I mean. So you see now, in this market now, in this chart now, you see that the three indicator meets together from this angle, and is set down to this, level. Set down to this level. You see, with that you will have turned your $10 to $20 every day. Let me show you more, because this strategy work on boom and crash every day. So you see this, you see another one here. It's help you to know the exactly when they meet my 90 level, then I enter my market with that. And also you see this is another one. You see this level, just only my my MA10 and my upper Bollinger Band now that meet together here. You see, from this level, then I can enter the trade and take it down to this level, as you can see. You see, and also you can use this strategy to catch up a spike using the same method. And when the three indicator meets at the 20 to 10 level, you see the three indicator meets at the what, at the 20 and 10 level, then you enter the market and it spike up a greater spike here. You see that to this level, and it's really going to help you a lot, especially beginners. And in this video, you see the spike still continue till here. So that is the best time, that is the best for you to enter the trade. So let's check up the boom. Let's check up this cash 1000 on 5-minute time frame. You see, on 5-minute time frames we have the same method in this level. So from this level now, we have the markets in this level to be when the three agree together. When the three agree together in this level, you see that's the right time for you to take a long spike. You see, a long trade to this level. And if you take that to this level, you know how much you will have to make with this level. And also it spike down a little bit and take another trade. You see that? So you can use this strategy on your cash and boom. You can use it on your crash 1000, and you can use it on your crash 500, and you can also use it on your boom 1000 and boom 500. So this is really working. So I want you to also set it up on your phone to trade with it, and post the comment on my YouTube. Also, let me show you the settings on how this works. So I only have a window one. I have my RSI, which is my relative strength index, and I have my moving average, two moving average, and I have my Bollinger Band there. And also in my RSI, I have my period to be 10, I have my apply to be open, I have my start to be white in color, and my level is in 10, 90, 20, 80, which indicates my buy and sell signal. And also that's about my RSI. Let's move to the moving average. The first moving average is period of 10. We have the shift of 0. The method is simple. Apply to close. Close. Let it be in close. And also we have the style, which is in red color. So you can choose any color you want. It might be green. It might be white. It depends on your background color. So I don't have any level here. So press on done. Then you move to the next moving average. You have the period of 120 with its shift of 0 and the method of simple and apply to close. We have the site of blue, and that's you press done. And also let's move to the Bollinger Band. We have the parameter to be period of 20. We have the next part to be 2.000, and shift is a 0. Apply to close, let it be in close, and you can choose any color, and here I choose green. So you press on done. By doing that, you have the full complete chart on your indicator. You have the complete chart on your indicator. So I want you to try this and see how the income. You see now they are both agreed together now in this level. You see now they have entered. So if you enter this trade now, you will watch a lot of spikes with this strategy. You see now in this place now the disagree on the 20 to 10 level. So if we enter the market now, but which I'm going to enter also, so I'm going to enter it now at the end of this video. You see the three have agreed, and there's going to be a spike point very soon. So if you are watching this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and I have my Telegram group below this video. Kindly join the Telegram group for free signal. I'm going to be dropping free signal for beginners and for pro. So subscribe to this channel on my Telegram.